Hello. Today I'm going to be showing you the smoothie that I drink every day. Okay, this smoothie is very special to me because it has cured my stomach bloat. This kind of sounds like it's an infomercial. So today we have all of the ingredients that you need to cure that gut, honey. Okay, so I am on an awkward angle right now, but it's just the way it's built in here. Like, the room I'm filming in is just built like this. It needs to be on this angle. Okay, I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna try and fix it. Don't you worry. But for right now, it is what it is. Let's get started. But another thing I want to say, if you start drinking this smoothie every day, your stomach, unless you go to a buffet and go eat like plates of food, your stomach will never be bloated again. I struggled with bloat, stomach bloat, every day. I can literally wake up, eat nothing, have my coffee, go to the bathroom, and still be bloated. I'm sorry, what? Even though I ate nothing, I could drink water, I could, I don't know, eat the air, and I would still be bloated. So we have celery right here. A nice big stalk of celery. We have kale. Of course, a pineapple. A kiwi. A green apple. And then I have coconut water right here. I am using Thirsty Buddha organic coconut water. Now, so I try and find coconut water that doesn't have a lot of sugar because I don't want that. Okay, so then I use unsweetened vanilla almond milk. This brand. I haven't tried another one, so I don't know if it's good. This has, well, it's unsweetened, so it has 0 grams of sugar. Okay, this, now, I switch between two. But right now I'm using this. I'm trying to not cut out dairy fully, but just, you know, lower my intake of dairy because I feel like it breaks me out. So, yeah, I'm using this. Dairy-free plant-based yogurt. Okay. Let's try and fix this angle here. I just want to say one more thing. Please ignore my nails right now. Okay? They're very chipped. They're chipped off. We're just not going to pay attention to that. We're just going to pay attention to this smoothie and the process. Okay? Because we don't need to look at that. We have, oh Lord, what am I, okay, so we have the pineapple. about this much, you know, cut in a thing. Okay, then we have the green apple here. So it's like exactly half of an apple, like literally half of an apple. Okay, and then we have celery. I don't use too much celery, but like I like to just throw it in there. Okay, and then we have a whole kiwi, and then we have the kale here. So that is what goes in here for the fruits. Okay, so I put everything in. Now I'm going to add this. I don't measure anything, and like I couldn't tell you the measurements either. But I like my smoothies extra juice like, because I don't have a juicer. So I pour like a good amount. I'm going to add the coconut water. And I'm also going to pour a good amount in there. So then I'm going to add the yogurt. I'm running out of this, and I tried to find more at the store, but I could not. So for this, I slap a good amount in there. So I'm probably going to use the rest of what's in here, which is that. So I'm going to put this bad boy on. Plug in this blender. Bam. Blend it until it's almost like liquid. All right, let's check. Yep, there it is. Okay, so that is how I make my smoothie. My wonderful green smoothie that will cure your stomach. Okay, I'm just gonna put it in my tall girl cup. You in this cup because I already poured it and you can't really see it in here. So nice and liquidy. If you don't want it like liquidy like this, just add less liquid and it's still gonna taste good. But this is just how I like it. I've had green smoothies before that I'm like drinking it like, yeah, it's good. It's good, thank you. Sitting there dying inside because I'm just trying to get some greens in my diet. Okay. But I promise you, ooh, just like a, ooh, like I'm holding flowers. So, I guess the video is done. The universe is probably trying to tell me to just cut it off here. Okay, let me just relax and chill out. So the lighting is gone. The lighting is gone. The tripod is still good. The angle's not good. But it is done. Drink it every day and watch your stomach shrink. Drink this. The universe is definitely telling me to end this video right now. I'm gonna get into a commercial right now. If you are looking, okay, hold on. If you're looking for a flat stomach that has zero bloat, look no further. I almost messed up again. Drink this green smoothie. It will transform your stomach. It'll clear out your system every day. I don't know what video I'm doing next, but we'll figure it out. You know, YOLO, we'll figure it all out. So thank you for watching. Make sure you try it. Okay, you won't be disappointed. Make sure you try it. Clear your gut out.